If you were to sell your business today, how would you work out what your company is worth? You measure it based on profitability, cash in hand, IP, etc., right? In fact, there's also one element which will supercharge your business value, one that many people would overlook. Yep, you guessed it. It's your email database. Actually, we've just had a client who recently sold their business for a very lucrative amount, which allowed them to retire early. One of the biggest factors for the sale was because over time, they've acquired a sizable targeted database. And most importantly, they were able to work out a way to funnel that list into over 6,000 transactions, with each transaction starting at $10,000. Do the math, it's mind-blowing. An email database is your biggest marketing asset. When you have a mechanism like this, you can almost predict revenue. And this mechanism is called a sales funnel. Simply put, a sales funnel requires three things. Firstly, a lead magnet that offers instant value in exchange for people's email addresses. And then you launch a series of nurturing emails to give them more value once they've opted into your list. Ideally, you would want to drive them back to your website to view the content. And finally, once you get into a habit of regularly emailing them, you mix it up with some sales emails and directly call them to action. What determines the success of your sales funnel is value. You need to be willing to give away valuable information, user tips, customer insights, or even offer discounts to keep cultivating the list. And when you compound all this value over time, I'm talking weeks, months, if not years of staying in front of people, that's how you win. Digital users are super smart these days. They can instantly smell something's not right when you're just hitting them with a bunch of sales messages. That's why they ignore you, that's why they unsubscribe. The relationship is transactional and people don't like that. That's where I get a lot of pushback, right? I don't want to be emailing people every week. I hate those spam emails myself. When you don't provide value and just pull tricks to milk the list, you're spamming people. But when you appear to be a helpful guide, helping your customers to solve problems, they would be delighted and thankful to keep hearing from you. They may not engage with every single thing you have to say or are ready to buy now, but you have claimed a spot in their brain in relation to the problems that you solve. How about unsubscribers? Let them go. These people are never going to buy from you anyway. Let's face it, not everyone's gonna like your business, but your nurturing campaign is actually the perfect filtering mechanism to identify the right people within your ecosystem. Now, I know what the next question is, right? How do I build a sales funnel? Where do I start? Now, this is what I want you to do. Go to this link and send us your website or provide anything about your business. What I'm going to do is a deep dive and send you a personal message to tell you exactly what lead magnet to build and what your nurturing and sales emails are going to look like for your business. But I'm only going to do this for the first 3 people who would fill in the form. So go to this link now, and I look forward to hearing from you and helping you to build a sales funnel for your business so you become a winner.